Candy.
Look at Mommy pouring it all out.
Look at that candy.
With the fleece. With the fleece they had in the, with the fleece and they had the bed.
What fleece?
The fleece that I went to a
A Caroline?
These.
Oh, it's a kiss.
Kiss.
A chocolate kiss. You like those?
I want these.
You like those the best, huh?
Yeah, open.
Say please.
Please. Wow.
You like that?
Look like a crazy.
What else did you get that you like? Show me the other stuff you like. Do you like the Twizzlers? Hey, you. Twizzlers, you like them? That's mine. That's for Daddy. That's for Daddy! That's for Daddy! Let go! Bye-bye.